guys, so today is going to be a very short video that I'm going to make, and that is I'm going to show you how I personally do my eyebrows. I know that everyone does their eyebrows, you know, according to their shape or however way it's best for them, so I'm going to teach you guys how I do my eyebrows. I'm just using what I have, and that is the e.l.f. brow pencil. What I like to do first when I start to do my eyebrows is I like to take the spoolie, and that's what I like about eyebrow pencils, that they have they usually all have spoolies on one side and then the actual pencil on the other side. You want to start where your nose bridge starts, where it kind of connects. That's usually the standard starting point of eyebrows for people. Don't worry too much if you make a mistake. I will clean it up in the next bit, but first it's just about outlining how you want your eyebrows to be shaped. My eyebrows are pretty straight, so I do them kind of straight, but I do have a little arch over here, so I just follow the natural curve of my eyebrow and slightly fill in the bottom part. Then I do the top part, and again you guys can see that I don't really have hair right here, but I have some here and here. So what I do is just try to connect those points together. I don't like my eyebrows too thick, and this might be very thick for some people, but I think on my face shape and when I do my whole makeup, it all just kind of goes together. So it just really depends on your face shape and what's proportionate to your face. And I just make an outline on the top, following the natural curve of my eyebrow. And it looks very messy, I know. All you have to do is fill it in. And I'm just taking short little strokes because I feel like that's more precise, especially when you have a eyebrow pencil that is not very sharp at the end. So this one's a little bit thick, so it's a little hard to kind of control the preciseness of your brows. And in the front, I kind of just make some going up, take the spoolie, blend the front, and then brush the eyebrow hairs on the other side. And I go back in and I fill in wherever I feel like I blended too much away, because with eyebrow pencils it's really hard. It's really easy to take off the product when you're using the spoolie, because the spoolie's hard. So yeah, it's all about personal preference, and you can always take your finger and kind of remove the excess. Like to clean up the eyebrows, and I'm gonna take this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Cool Nude. This is just like the perfect highlighting concealer for my brows. And I take a brush like this. This one's rounded and flat and thick, so it's very helpful when you're trying to outline your eyebrows. And again, I just start at the bottom and I kind of just follow the line. And I just blend the product down because I usually use that for the eyeshadow that I'm gonna wear. And like I said, it's all about personal preference on how you like your eyebrows, how thick, how dark you want them. it's just about what you like. Sometimes I take my beauty blender to blend out the edges, but I put too much on this eye, so I'm just blending it down to my eyelid, and that's pretty much it. That's how my eyebrows look. Sometimes when I'm done, I sometimes take the leftover concealer and kind of just put some right there if I feel like it doesn't look very blended. Just take my finger and pat it upwards. Then to have my eyebrows stay in place, I use this Great Lash by Maybelline. It's a clear mascara. I use it for my eyebrows, and I just brush them upwards and the little tail. And this really does help your eyebrows stay put. So yeah, that was my eyebrow tutorial. If you like this video and would like to see more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.